Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to choose and take YouTube handle. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Alright, open YouTube. Okay, press avatar and press YouTube Studio. Scroll down and press customization. Press close. Scroll down and your handle. Click, delete and write new handle. 28. Yes, green. Nice. And press publish. Okay, and press avatar and open your channel and check. Yes, nice. This finish. Subscribe and give me a like. This video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye.